Maddie, Maddie.
Okay. Come
on, come on. Go ahead,
Come on, man.
You're dragging her now. No, she doesn't want to do anything.
You want to do it? Piss of vinegar? Come on.
Go get him. Go get him, Maddie.
It's stuck. I'm sorry. Or you would have did it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Come on. Go get it again.
Stop, stop.